this light is bomb. Like, what's up guys, it's Jade Marlene and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe and like, and don't forget to introduce yourselves in the comments down below because I love making new friends. It has been such a long time, guys, since I made a video. I honestly don't even know if I know how to do this anymore. It's taken me so long to just sit down and record this for y'all, but I'm here and we're back. I've been on a break, trying to figure life out, trying to figure myself out, where I want to go with this channel, what direction. Still not completely sure, but we're going to do it anyway. I will be explaining more about where I've been in my next video. I also may share my vision board ideas with you guys as well. Just trying to promote some more positivity for this year because 2020 was a little stressful, but 2021 still started out kind of stressful, but we're going to get through it. And I think if we just speak positivity out there into the world, into the universe, then we can receive it back. But in this video, we're going to just be reviewing my new ring light. Although I have been on the break, I still have been thinking of ideas, writing things down, and improving my channel, thinking of different ways to improve my channel. The one thing I really wanted was to improve my lighting. In the apartment that I'm in right now, I do have a nice big window in my living room that gives in a lot of different natural light. However, because I am working full time now, I might get home, during daylight savings, and it could be dark. And then on the days that, it is really nice and sunny, I'm at work, or I'm tired. So it's just better for me to just have, good lighting all day, every day, regardless of what the weather is outside. And I got so tired of waiting for there to be good weather to record. The ring light I've been using right now it's by YESKER, which is also found on Amazon, which I love it. It was a great start for me, but I think it's just time to elevate. So if you guys would like to see the new ring light that I got, stay tuned for the rest of the video. I will link in the description the actual site where you guys can get this from. It did still come from Amazon, but I will link the actual site. I don't know. It'll be in the description below, y'all. All right, so I literally look crazy because I just got off work. I just got back from the gym. That's something else I'm trying this year. We're gonna succeed in that as well. But when I got home, it was sitting on my porch, and I just decided that I wanted to just show it to you guys. I want to get you guys more content because y'all showed so much love in my last video, which, first of all, before we even open this box, thank y'all so much for showing so much love, so many views, so much engagement on the last video. I remember I woke up one day and I just saw the K next to my views, and I was so appreciative. For some YouTubers that may have been in this for a long time, like seeing that 1K to them is maybe, whatever. But for me, like, with little promotion that I've done, like, I'll thank y'all. I'm so excited. It actually motivated me to start back up, because at first I was just not gonna just do YouTube anymore. Like, it's so much work, and trying to juggle that on top of full time is just a lot. But I'm rambling, and we can ramble in the next video. So let's open this package. Super excited about it. Honestly, I think another motivation for me to even like open this on camera is because I really wanted y'all to get my true reaction. I think a lot of times, a lot of people on YouTube like to script stuff, but I just want to be real with you guys. So I didn't want to wait another day to open this, so I decided to just start recording in how I'm looking now. So don't judge me. Just act like I am fully beat to the gods, and we're just gonna move on. So once I took it out of its box that it was shipped in, this is the box that it came in, and it is by YESKER. I don't know how to pronounce that, but YESKER is where we're gonna go with. And like I said, I got this off Amazon, which is like the holy grail for all things needed. Like, Amazon is like my online Target. I feel like you don't really know what you need from Amazon until you just go on there. So Just like Target, they just know what you need. You know, you let things find you instead of you going there to find things. They find you. All right, so this is the tripod. And then once I opened up the ring light, it was packaged really well in this little like carry-on. One that I have now is only, I think it's 10 inches, 8 inches, something like that. When you open it up, these are all the things that it comes with. This is how to put it together. But I don't know if Jade's going to read the manual. We're just gonna try to figure it out ourselves. Okay, I'm not sure what this is for yet. It's probably why I should read the manual. This is one remote, and this is another one. I think this one is just for like the shutter or taking pictures and stuff. And it looks like it connects to iOS, and I'm assuming probably Android users. This is the holder for the phone. And then the little, I guess, adapter that you use to hold this. So after reading the manual, this remote looks like it controls the lighting, which is super cool because I know with mine, I have a little small like remote attached to the cord, and it'd be so much easier. So I kind of have to like know what vibe I'm going for before I start recording. And then that's just the cords and stuff. All right, and now for the moment we've been waiting for, the ring light. I did get the 18-inch. And then this one has a little touch screen with it as well. I don't know if y'all can see that. Let me hold this up. This little touch screen right there. You can kind of control the temperature and the power. On the back, the best part to me was that it has a little USB thing right here. USB port, so I can charge my phone while I'm recording. That was like a game changer because I am still a small YouTuber, so I'm using my phone. And if you guys know, like when you're using your phone, you're recording with the flash on, recording a video regardless, your battery just dies or it overheats. So with this, I will be able to keep going and keep my phone charged at the same time and still record stuff for you guys. Now let's put this together. I'm gonna try to do it without looking at the thing. I also watched a lot of different videos before I decided to go with this particular brand. If you guys know me personally, then you know I'm a planner. So it literally took me, I mean, I can't even tell you guys how long this ring light has been in my cart on Amazon. Like, it's ridiculous how long it takes me to make decisions. Libra vibes. Shout out to all my Libras. Just went up super easily. Seems like a super sturdy tripod, so that's cool. And then instead of, looks like it just has these little knobs to extend it. The one I have now has little like locks, like latch locks. You can just unclick it, pull it, and click it back up to keep it. So it goes up pretty high. I just wanted to see, it's probably like my height. I think that's as far as it goes. I'm just gonna lower it a little bit just so y'all can see the light. Excuse my bare walls and bare windows. I refuse to decorate because I am looking to move. So I just didn't want to commit to decorations and different things if I was just gonna take them right back down. If you guys have ever been in an apartment, you know that when it's time to give the deposit back, they try to nickel and dime you for everything. Like, oh, there were holes in the wall, remember? So, I won't be able to say that about me. I probably need to read the instructions. Hopefully. Alright, so That's how I was doing it right. See, I told you guys, I don't need to read instructions. This is Jade the Builder. Heck yeah. Says I can't freaking build it. All right, this is my friend ring light. Actually goes taller than that, like I said. And then I like this one too because it literally can tilt all the way down, so 180 degrees. Don't quote me, mathematicians. Would that be math or whatever? Don't quote me. So it can go all the way down. So like say I wanted to like film a cooking video, I can be like, can y'all see me? I can be like all down here for you guys, making things, slicing things, all down here. And now guys, let's plug it up. So I thought that I got catfished on the ring light, but apparently you need to read the instructions, which say, in order to do on and off, press and hold it for 3 seconds. So we're gonna press and hold it, and then we're gonna see. So 1, 2, 3. Like literally, is this gonna do this to me every day? Here we go. So this is the power button. This is the LCD screen. Tells you the temperature and brightness or whatever. Take it up and down. And it goes up to, whoa, 60 it looks like. I don't know if y'all can see that. Oh no, it goes higher than that. 90, 100. And then we could take it down all the way down to 10. And then this changes the temperature. So this is warm, and then warm goes all the way up and vice versa. All right, so now I want to show you guys how it looks on me. All right, so this is on the warm tone. I think, oh, now it gets cooler. This one's definitely easier to look at. I think it still gives good lighting even at the cool. This is the highest. It goes up to 5,500. And then this goes down. Let's go back down to the warmest tone. I think the warm does better with my skin complexion because I have a lot of yellow undertones. But so that's for the temperature. And then if we go to just the brightest, this is on the lowest, and then let's take us up. You guys can also do this with the remote, but I just don't feel like trying to connect that. It's like a Bluetooth setting. Like I said, I just came from the gym and came from work, so I only have energy to do this. I don't have any more energy than to open this box and turn the light on, and that's it. So maybe in a future video I can show you guys how I take pictures with this. I'm definitely going to try it out, but so far so good. I think I like it. Let's try one more setting. I think there's like 3, because I think, oh, okay, we're getting brighter. I think this is the setting that it started on. Oh yeah, that's a little bit extreme. It has like L100. I don't even know, like I can't even see too much right now. I don't even know why I would need it to be this bright, but thank you for being this bright. My best Rihanna voice, shine bright like a diamond. That was corny. Don't quote me on. But I made it really bright. So this definitely will eliminate my need for natural lighting, because I definitely should be able to record now, whether it's dark or light outside. Right now it's about like 6-ish. I don't even know guys, but it's late. I mean, it's not late, but it's not early. I think it's about 6:30. I don't know. That's just my guess. But it's getting dark, and with this light, I can still record if I wanted to. This is by YESKER, and so far so good. I like it. It also has some different vents. I don't know if I told y'all that or not. But it has different vents on the back to ensure that it doesn't overheat. So that's nice. I do have my phone charging with it right now. Super nice feature. That was one of the reasons why I got this one. I also like that it was super easy to assemble. Some of the other ones I was looking at had different plates or whatever. I think that's what you call them, plates, to put on to the light to change the warmth. But I don't have time for all that, y'all. Like, I barely can get a video out in more than one in a month. So I definitely don't have time to put plates on a light. It definitely motivates me to do it now, because this light is so bomb. Like, oh my God, this light is bomb. Like, all right, guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and getting this far if you have. Again, the product is, or the ring light is by YESKER, and I will put the link in the description below if you guys want to go ahead and get it and try it out. I believe it was, I want to say like $75 after tax. The best $75 I've ever spent thus far. That is it. Thank y'all again so much for watching. If you want to follow me on Instagram, it will be in the description as well, or I may try to put it somewhere right here. As always, stay happy and healthy, and I will see you guys in the next video.